My name is Abdul Khalik. I was a student of English language over the past 3 years. So I involved in drugs. So now I'm here in the center of Insaniyat Bachao Tehreek, which is situated near to the Baladi Road, near custom office. So now we are happy to be in Insaniyat Bachao Tehreek. It's a very good place for us to save our lives. And the drugs will destroy the families, the drugs will destroy our lives. So now we are very happy to be here to save our lives. And we don't have here good facilities. I request the government, I request the NGOs to give us good facilities in the shape of anything what they have, like the money, anything. They have to aid us, whatever they have. So I was also being a teacher of English language before, so now I am here in this center. So I have to speak a little bit about I had to talk in English about the history of English language. So the experts say the English language has more words that explain the same thing than any other language. For example, the words large, huge, vast, massive, and enormous all mean something is really big. And people often ask how many words there are in the English language. Well, no one really knows, because the Oxford Dictionary it lists about 615,000 words, yet many scientific words not in dictionary that could increase.
Woo!